Welcome back everyone to today's second video. This is going to be Storm Watch part 2 because we did Storm Watch yesterday. We're going to do another one today. I decided to bring you some lightning maps today as well, just because we have been seeing some extreme lightning storms over the last hour all across the country, and there's been a lot of thunderstorms and lightning, so I'm just going to update you on that in a minute as well with the live map. So let's have a look at the wind. So we still got them strong winds, just like we had earlier, sweeping across the country. If you watch today's weekend forecast, we've got strong winds across the south, wrapping around Northern Ireland and Ireland. Scotland a bit more calm, except from the north coast and most of England and the Midlands, with very strong winds, probably gusts up to 40 miles per hour, and averaging around 20, so windy day. So let's get into the lightning map, because it is quite interesting at the moment with all this lightning around. It is being quite serious in some places. Here we go. So I can have a look at the whole country. London and the south, not as much at the moment, but as soon as you go into the Midlands, we've got some extreme thunderstorms starting to kick off, and lightning storms, especially around York, Leeds, Wakefield, Sheffield, and York. We got some extreme bolt lightning just here. There's like a lot of lightning coming off here. Let's see if we can zoom in. We've got a lot of lightning coming off here, and you can see it when it's live in the red dot there. All over the place we've got lightning coming off here. So there's a lot of lightning coming off there, as you can see. Also we've got some lightning going on over here on the west coast. Up here we're also getting a lot of lightning coming off around Manchester, close to Sheffield, Manchester. London might get a bit more later, but not at the moment. Also in Scotland on the east coast, we're getting a lot of lightning strikes, a lot of thunderstorms, especially in the Midlands and Northern England at the moment. So I think we've seen enough of that for the minute. We'll update you on that again at the end of the video. So let's go to the GFS charts. Okay, so here we go. Here's that low pressure system that is bringing us them thunderstorms and heavy rain and winds. Just here, centering currently over Northern Ireland and Western England. We'll push into the east later on today, I expect. So let's move on a little bit to around now. So at the moment it's probably about here. We've got that low pressure system pushing in a bit more, wrapping them winds around. That's why we're seeing all of them winds, and then winds originating from up in Scandinavia and some all the way up in Svalbard up here, which are wrapping around the low pressure into the country, just like that. And that's why we're getting some cooler air as well, as some of the air is coming from a more milder direction in the south, like that, and some is coming from the north. That's what's causing the thunderstorms as well. So it's getting very interesting. So let's have a look until this low pressure disappears, and then we carry on that low pressure system. Then it starts to drift away, probably going to cause a rain event on the edge of the high and low pressure here in between, just there. And we do bring some quite cold winds in from the north there, cooler winds there from the northerly, northeasterly winds there, so a bit cooler there. After that, we keeping them cooler winds back south, and then the storm's gone at that point, so we won't go any further than that. Okay, let's have a look at the diagram there. Now let's have a look where the precipitation is at the moment. So as you can see, we have got some rain looking like in London over the next few days. We've got some rain spikes, possibly even up to 10 millimeters, as you can see just there, but around 5 at the moment, probably, and some more rain tomorrow and the day after that. So I think we've seen enough of that. So let's have a look at the rainfall now. Like this. Okay, so we are currently at we are today at, there we go. So this is where we are currently. This rain is heavier than it is picking up on the chart. Actually, it doesn't look very heavy on the chart, but this is then heavy. The greener bits, heavy rain, thunderstorms. That's what's pushing in just there, as you can see, like that. So that's where the heavier rain's pushing in at the moment. If we run the chart on a little bit, you will see it. The rain carry on pushing in to the country, keep pushing in, keep pushing in. Sunday tomorrow stays there, then thunder showers probably drifting back in after the low pressure's gone, then it quiets down a bit and then thunder showers get back in. So not much more to see there. Okay, let's see the wind gust speed because let's have a look at this. So we've got actually updated winds to today. We've got some very gusty winds across the southeast at the moment, getting up to 40, 45 maybe. A lot of the England is experiencing very high winds at the moment as well, so an umbrella's not going to work probably at the moment. The winds then clear off by tomorrow, and then they calm down for the rest of the week. So that does calm down. But we're going to show you one more rain model just because of all the thunderstorms around at the moment. So we'll show you just one more rain model. So you can see where the thunderstorms are at. So here we go. There we go. Okay, so we've got the thunderstorms at the moment coming through the country just there. That's the heavy part there. You can see this area of heavy here. But there's more than it's showing on the map at the moment. And then they push through, then we carry on seeing some showers into Monday. It all clears off after that when the low pressure starts to disappear. Okay, so before we end the video, let's have another quick look at the lightning. You can see we've still got extreme lightning strikes happening in parts of the country where massive lightning storms off here, by the way. I mean, look at that. That is crazy. A lightning storm up there. So if you live in that part of the country, then be careful of rain. Be careful of very hard thunderstorms, I would say. It looks quite interesting at the moment with all this thunderstorms, wind, and all of this unsettled weather around low pressure. I know not much people want it, but this is just what happens. We have some warm weather like we did earlier on in the month, and then we have some weather like this. So, yeah, that's what happens. Okay. Right, so I think we're going to end the video off there. We'll be back a bit later for another video, I think. So thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.